In this video, I'm going to show you how to get 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in just 7 days. Yes, I'm going to say this again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to monetize your YouTube channel in just 7 days by getting 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in a period of just 1 week. Now, my goal for 2025 is to help 1,000 creators get monetized in this year 2025, and this challenge began in March. Now, since March 2025, I've helped over 275 creators get monetized here on YouTube, and the number is still counting. So if you're serious about monetization, if you want to monetize your YouTube channel, this is the video that you need. Now, there's a strategy that I'm going to share with you in this video, and this strategy can get your YouTube channel monetized in less than 1 week. And the best thing about this strategy, to perform it, you don't need a computer, you don't need anything, but you need your mobile phone. So in simple terms, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use your mobile phone to monetize your YouTube channel in just 1 week. And without wasting any time, let's get started. Now, as I said, there are just 2 requirements that you need to perform this strategy. First of all, you need a smartphone. And once you get a smartphone, the second thing you need, your channel should have at least 50 subscribers. Yes, your channel should have at least 50 subscribers. Now, I understand there are people that actually don't have the 50 subscribers. There are those people that actually have less than 50 subscribers. So if you have less than 50 subscribers, this is my greatest advice that can actually help you get the 50 subscribers very quickly. What you need to do is to focus at uploading shorts strategically to get the 50 subscribers in just 1 week. Okay, so you can actually upload 3 shorts every single day for 1 week, and by the end of the week you will have the 50 subscribers. Now, someone is gonna say, Ben, you always say we stop uploading shorts. As I said, you can upload shorts strategically if you want something. For example, if you want subscribers. But the main reason why I actually advise creators in my community not to upload shorts, it is if you are actually focusing at monetization and using shorts to monetize on YouTube. Okay, so if you want to monetize your YouTube channel using shorts, I'll say no, because shorts pay little money. But in case you want something, for example, you want your first 50 subs, I'll literally say go for shorts, because shorts are going to help you get the 50 subs very quick. Now, once you have the 50 subs and you have the phone, let's jump into the strategy straight away. Now, the first thing you're gonna do, you go to your Google Chrome, and then on the search bar you search for YouTube Studio Dashboard. Okay, as you see right here. So you tap on the website right here, and when you tap on the website, in most cases it's going to take you back to YouTube Studio app, and most people actually face this challenge. So in case it takes you back to YouTube Studio app as it is doing right here, what you have to do is to minimize the YouTube Studio app and then go to your apps. Okay, you go to your apps, and what you're gonna do is to uninstall the YouTube Studio app. You delete the YouTube Studio app. You just do this for now, and after you can install later the YouTube Studio mobile app. So I'll definitely uninstall or delete this mobile studio app, and what I'm gonna do next is go back to Chrome. Okay, I open Chrome and tap again on the studio website right here, and this time around you're gonna realize that I'm redirected to YouTube Studio Dashboard. As you see, this is the YouTube Studio Dashboard that we want. Now, once you reach on this step, what you're gonna do, let me zoom a little bit so that we can actually see. Now, there are 3 options right here, so I'll zoom as I said. Now, what you're gonna do, you tap on the option in the middle right here, this option right here, and when you tap on it, let me zoom back. When you tap on it, this is what is going to happen, or what's going to show next. Okay, so right here you will see this: welcome to the new YouTube live control room. When do you want to go live? And option number 1 is right now, option number 2 is later date. So we're going to take option number 2. So you just tap on start. Okay, you tap on start right here, and this will come next. Pick the type of stream to begin. Okay, there is built-in webcam, and there's also streaming software. So what we are going to tap on is streaming software. So you definitely take the second option. You tap on go right here. Okay, on the second option. Now, once you tap on the second option, let me zoom back so that we can actually see the entire screen once again. Now, once you tap on the second option, this is what will come next. You'll see stream, webcam, and manage. So what you have to do is to take the first option, stream. Okay, you tap on stream right here. And now once you tap on stream, this will come next. They'll ask you, is this video made for kids? You definitely have to say no, it's not made for kids. Even if your channel is made for kids, say no, it's not made for kids, okay, for this particular strategy. Okay, I'll definitely save right here after saying no, it's not made for kids. Now this will come next. Let me zoom back. Now once this comes next, you don't need to tamper with anything. You don't need to do any mistake right here, because if you type anything here, it's going to mess up everything. Okay, now on this screen you realize that there are different things as you see right here. So what you have to do is to look for this particular word right here, stream key, in brackets spaced in encoder. Okay, you will see beside stream key there is copy. Okay, so you tap on copy, the copy on top, you take the copy on top. Okay, you tap on copy on the top right here, and now after tapping on copy, it's going to be copied into your clipboard. Now what you do next after copying, you minimize Chrome right away. Okay, and once you minimize Chrome, you go straight to your apps, and now you tap on Play Store right here. And now after tapping on Play Store, you tap in the search bar and then you search for Live Now. Okay, now this is the app that you're going to search for, and this is the app that you need to download. Okay, now once the app is done downloading, you open it. Okay, once you open it, this will come next. They will show you different things here, how the app actually operates and everything. So you actually go through it if you have time, and after going through everything, you tap on done right here. So you have to give this app permission to display over other apps. As you see right here, the app is right here, and then you actually check right here to give it permission to display over other apps. Okay, and now once you're done giving it permission, you go back. Now this is the next screen that is going to show. Now as you see, this app can actually stream on YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, TikTok, Twitter, and RTMP. Now this time around we are talking about YouTube. We're not going to focus about anything else but YouTube. So you definitely tap on YouTube right here, and this screen is going to come next. Now there are two options right here on this screen. There is login to YouTube and there is stream with stream key. Okay, so with our strategy, we don't need to log into YouTube. Instead, we are going to tap on stream with stream key right here. Now once you tap on stream with stream key, you're going to see this screen next. So you definitely tap on the second bar right here, and what you're going to do is to paste the stream key we copied from the YouTube Studio dashboard on Chrome in the first step. Okay, so we are going to actually paste the link right here, or the stream key right here. As you see, I've pasted the stream key right here, and now what I'm gonna do next is to tap on next right here, and now this is what will come next. Now on this step you should pay more attention, and without strategy on this step you will definitely tap on video right here. You don't need to take stream camera, screen broadcast or anything, but you just need to tap on video right here. And now once you tap on video, you will see this notification right here. Video must be under 1 GB and not longer than 60 minutes. If it can't be streamed, please convert it to MP4. You need to actually put that in your mind. Okay, and now after reading that, you tap on next right here, and now you're going to begin granting permission to this app. You have to give every permission to this app to make sure that this app actually gives us results that we need. Okay, so here they are going to ask you, allow Live Now to record audio. You definitely have to say while using the app. Okay, you take the first option right here, and now they are going to also ask you, allow Live Now to send you notification. You say allow, and they are going to also tell you, allow Live Now to access photos and videos on this device. You'll definitely say allow all. Okay, and now after that, this app is going to take you to your storage, to your video storage. Yes, you have to make sure that you have a video that you're going to use to stream, and in this case you should have a video that is in a vertical format. A vertical format is this kind of a format. Okay, this kind of a format, not this format. Okay, the TikTok kind of video format, the YouTube Shorts kind of video format, or the Instagram Reels kind of video format, not this kind of a format. You should get that kind of a video, and you should make sure that that video has no copyright issues. So make sure that a video you use is a video that you have all rights to use. Don't use someone's video, because if you use someone's video, it's going to put your channel under a great risk. Now once you're done getting the video, you definitely tap on the video in your storage. I'll definitely take this video, the first video right here. And now once you done tapping on the video, do not do anything. Don't tap on start right now before you do what I'm going to show you right here. Now on this screen, what you're going to do first is to check the arrows above the screen right here. So you tap on the arrow right here. When you tap on the arrow, as you see, the arrow are activated, and when I tap on them again, they are deactivated. These arrows actually means looping. Okay, when you tap and activate, it literally means that this video is going to keep on looping again and again. This video is less than a minute, and we have to stream this video for hours. Yes, and now what you need to do is to loop the video, to make the video play again and again and again, because you are going to stream this video for hours, not just minutes, not just 1 minute or 2 minutes, but you're going to stream it for hours. So you definitely have to loop the video to make the video play again and again and again by tapping on this option right here, the arrows that you see above on my screen right here. Now once you're done tapping on loop and activating loop, what you do next is to tap on start now. Now once you tap on start now, the live stream or the stream is going to begin immediately. And now before you even begin streaming, this is very important. You need to know this. First of all, if you want to get the results very quickly, once you begin streaming, stream for at least 10 hours or 11 hours every time you stream. Secondly, use a video that you own, a video that will not get you issues of copyright. Thirdly, don't forget to turn on the loop sign, or don't forget to loop the stream. Okay, and lastly, after streaming, this is how to end the live stream. You just tap on the X sign above the screen right here. There's an X sign that you see above the screen right here. Once you tap on that X sign, the stream is going to end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Now if you upload videos on YouTube and in the first 24 hours your videos get views, but after 24 hours your views die, like your video never gets views again, watch this video, because in this video I teach and explain why that happens, and I also show how to fix it. I teach how to fix it. So watch this video to fix whatever kills views on your channel. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.